Good afternoon. This is Raymond, aka Big Ray. I'm about to do a unboxing of a product that I've been looking for. As far as price and as far as specs, and also proving that it actually works for the device I want it to work for. A lot of these, a lot of things when you shop around, to find something. The first thing you see, like, ooh, wireless charger. Let me buy that because my phone supports wireless charging. No. The only thing you want to be concerned about when it comes to selecting a product, especially when it comes to what's compatible with your device, um is doing a little background, check out the specs, see what works, because you don't want to buy something that it doesn't work right or malfunctions or it does something to your phone. Then at that point you'll be screwed because you failed to do a little bit more digging as far as what actually works with your device. So with that said, I'm about to unbox a product, wireless dock. It's called the Torras C15 wireless charger. Very nifty box in here. I'm about to open it. That's how it looks. On the inside, when you open it, gives you a little bit of quick information. It says it never over discharges, never over voltage protection. Has its on the surface. If you touch the surface, most of them are slippery, but this one in particular is anti-skid, meaning your device won't slide anywhere. You just rest it on your device, and it doesn't skid or move anywhere. And also have soft lighting. We'll get into that in a minute. Anyways, let's finish unboxing this device here. And ta-da, as my son would say. This is the wireless charger along with the USB A to C cable for charging. So we're going to open this. Uncover this plastic from around it. Bam! Wireless dock right here. This is the back of it here. It has a USB port back there, USB Type C to charge. And put this on the side. Also has USB A to USB C charging cable. See that? And it also has some other stuff in the box as well as the instructions on how to use it, which I don't think I will need. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. This little thing right here. And also, just a little thank you, appreciation perk right here that they put in the box from Amazon and the manufacturer of the wireless dock, which is Torras. Anyway, let's get on to it. We're going to plug it right inside here. First, I'm going to plug it through an outlet. Give me a second. And this is what I really want to stress to you guys. You want to make sure that you actually plug this in, because you'll know when you plug it in, because you'll see the ring lights up blue. Because anytime you plug this in, what it does is it goes through a pre-boot diagnostic to make sure the device is working. Otherwise, it'll show up a different color. Then we have to send it back to the manufacturer, and they will replace it, assuming. Well, from what I understand, it's like a 180-day warranty, which is essentially 6 months. A 6-month warranty. Anyway, I'm gonna try out a device, and also I'm gonna put out there that on Apple devices it charges it puts out about 7.5 watts, but with Android devices it could be as high as 15, low as about maybe 9 or 10. I'm not sure why it differs when it comes to whether it's Android or Apple. There's a lot of Android devices that are maybe they're spec to handle a lot more than the iPhones. But anyway, this is my work phone. Samsung Galaxy S6 has the outer box case, which is old as dirt, I'm sure, because this is basically a pass down. I mean, it's a small phone. I hate small phones, but I tolerate it because I have to use this for work. But anyway, this is going to be my first test, and I'm about to turn the camera around, about to flip it, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, the phone is on the dock. We're looking for blue light, and we have blue light. And it should be a indicator on the screen, although it's off, letting us know that the phone is actually charging there. So we be patient, give it a few minutes. The case is thick. Not sure that has too much to do with it or not, but I'm sure it will start charging very shortly. Maybe I have to move it a little bit. Excuse me with these camera angles. I guess in your phone it depends where the battery is located. So it should work because it was just working a second ago. Okay, we got the lights down on the bottom blinking. Not sure what's going on here. Let's put this back on again. See what that'll do. I would have thought it worked by now. Not sure exactly what's going on. There we go. See? That's what I was looking for right there. Is at 5% now. And now it's taking in it's charging the battery. That's what the lights are for. And it has about 2 minutes and 35 seconds left to fully charge. So again, this is a Galaxy S6. Okay, so we're going to do away with this for the moment. And we're going to try my personal phone, which is my Galaxy Note 9. Yes, this is my new baby, because I dropped my LG X Charge in the water after I done lost it over a week ago. When I found it, it was drenched and it was soaked. Of course, it dried up eventually and it started working again, but I just didn't want the phone no more, although it was a great battery on it. So I just decided to treat myself and get away from the cheapies and treat myself to a Note 9. But anyway, it has a suitcase unicorn beetle case on here. Very nice case there, as you can see. Unicorn Beetle Pro. So I'm going to put this on the dock. See if it accepts the charge. So we're getting lights on the bottom there. So far, nothing. I think position actually does matter with these wireless chargers. So just in case it does, maybe I could reposition the phone. Don't want it hanging though. So we gotta give it a second, see what happens. It's probably gonna take a while, like the S6 did. And I'm gonna reposition this. Give it a second. Let's see if we got any blue lighting under the dock. We should see some type of charging activity, but we don't. So let's see if we can see it now. Okay, I'm gonna take it off the charger, put it back on, and we should, yep, there we go. It's at 63%, and it's now charging. As you can see, the red indicator light, the charging light, and you can also see that it's charging. You see the volt icon next to the 63%. Yeah, so that's proof that it works. And also you see the blue light, which indicates that the charging is taking place. Anyway, that will be my video for this afternoon. Again, this is my first YouTube video of an unboxing of a device, and I thank y'all for being with me. I will leave a link in the description on where you can find this product and things of that nature. Again, my name is Big Ray, and this is Tech Ray signing off. Peace.